Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for clear and practical software tutorials. In today's video, we are diving into Flokzu, the powerful business process automation software that helps you streamline workflows, cut down manual tasks, and boost productivity. So whether you're a small business owner, project manager, or just curious about workflow automation, this video is for you. So let's begin by going to the official website of Flokzu. In the top right corner, you can have an option to log in using your credentials. Try Flokzu, and of course, click the Start Free Trial. If you do, you will be forwarded to this section. All I have to do is very easy. You can start your 14-day free trial absolutely at no cost. No credit card required. All I have to do is provide all the information needed and click the Start Free Trial option. And then, once you have successfully created your account, you will be forwarded here and you'll have to click the button to go to the Flokzu. Then this is going to be the perfect opportunity for us to explore the Flokzu platform. Click on Done. You will be forwarded here on the main dashboard. Now let's go over to the left side panel of our dashboard where we can have the inbox. Basically, this displays all of the tasks or processes assigned to your team. All right, we're not going to upgrade for now, but instead, you can use to work from here to complete forms, review document. For example, you have the document one. If you want to review that or move to workflows to the next step, you can do it. For example, the title is going to be, for the new document for this inbox, is going to be right here. All right. Now, of course, from there, you can see some information and click the reject document or approve document, depending on your preference. All right. So we're not going to approve of that. Instead, we're going to the start. So the start is where you can have a personalized list of tasks or process instances you've marked as important. All right, which is kind of useful for quick access to high priority items. The outbox shows the task you have previously completed or submitted. As you can see, we have edited a document earlier, but we are not able to save it. Now, this helps you track contributions and see the progress of workflows you might have initiated or participated in. So the finalized contains processes that have reached their end state. All right, so you can have a filter here for the most recent, least recent, and a lot more. You can review the full history and documentation of completed workflows for auditing or references. Now, the databases refers to the structured data like clients, products, suppliers, and a lot more. Now, if we're going to add a new database, we can add something here. You can create a database schema, view records, for example, all users for now, and we're gonna save the settings. All right, so we have that. So we have created our first database. Again, you can create, edit settings here if you want. You click on save so that these records will show up in your process forms. Now, the metrics and reports gives you a visual and tabular reports to analyze workforce performance. You would notice that you have an action to the dashboard where you can get an overview of your organization. All right, you have the processes launched this month. If you have, these will gonna be auto-populated, space used, public forms, current plan, and all these information for you. Now, the good thing about it is that it can track metrics like processing times, of course, task duration right here, and bottlenecks to improve efficiency. You have an option to edit the chart data if you want and select the process to be displayed in the chart. All right. Now, we go to the My Processes, which lists all the workflows you might have created or that are available for you to start. If you don't have, you can have a new process from scratch. You can, from scratch, employee expense reimbursement, document approval, request for quotations, audit management, and a lot more. So what I'm going to do is, for example, we're going to be creating an investment evaluation. If you do, click on it, just provide all of the information, name, process ID, and fill in as much as information as you can. We're going to cancel this for now. We're going to leave this, and we're going to the issues monitor, because this section will help you track errors, exceptions, or integration failures in workflows, which is essential for administrators and developers to maintain smooth operation. Now, the service plans displays your current subscription and feature access. You can review limits, upgrade options, and billing details. If we click the view plan details, we will be forwarded here. If you feel that Flokzu is going to be the platform for you, you might want to understand that these are going to be the best pricing on the market. Of course, the standard comes at $17 per month, billed annually, and you have all these per user. Now you have the premium coming at $22 per month, and you would have all these. The custom and the on-premise is a big commitment, so it requires a scheduled call from one of the sales staff from Flokzu. So I highly suggest you utilize and exhaust the free trial first before you commit into something. All right. Now going back to the users management, these are going to be where you manage user accounts. For example, if you want to manage user roles, permissions, and team assignments, you can do that. You can also have an only accessible to administrators. You can do all these at this section. And of course, the configuration is going to be a system-wide settings, including time zones, email template, and branding, which is typically adjusted depending on your preferences. All right. Now, this is adjusted by admins during initial setup or major updates. Now, you see there's going to be a launch process. If you want to launch a specific process, for example, document approval, just click on next and just follow with the on-screen instructions. All right. You need to provide all of these. You can create your document. You have the form fields, attachments, comments, and a lot more. Now, on the attachments, you can upload from your own device right here, and then click on the create document. And having said all of that, that wraps up our walkthrough of Flokzu, from setup to demo. And of course, our final verdict is that if you're looking for a user-friendly, cloud-based automation tool that streamlines your business processes without needing to code, Flokzu is definitely worth exploring. We'd love to hear your thoughts. If you have tried Flokzu, or are you considering it for your team? Drop a comment below. We reply to everyone. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more software guides and productivity tips. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.